strike up the points. And here's what we're using. We're using the pool noodle for striking and a foam ball. Whatever you want to use, depending on what you want to use for striking. They can use their hand, a tennis racket, hockey stick, pillow polo, whatever you want to use for your striking implement would work for that as well. We're also using the skinny style pins, poly spots, some dice, and playing cards inside the bucket as well. So the students, you can have a partner up, play by themselves, depends on equipment, size of space, how many students you have, all that good stuff. And they're going to start by placing their ball on the sideline. And since we're using the noodle, we're using it kind of like a golf club, or they can swing one-handed as well. But their objective is for striking, aiming, trying to knock down one of the pins. Okay, so after I hit it, I totally missed, but I placed the noodle down where I could take it with me, and then I'm going to grab the ball and go back. Now, if I have a partner, I would hand it to my partner. If not, I would just place it on the ground and play again. Anytime I knock down one of the pins with the ball, I stand it back up, and now I go to the middle, and this is how we do our point system for this game. They're going to roll a die. And whatever number they roll, I roll a 3, I would get 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and then I go back and keep playing. And I just keep track of how many point cards I can collect. We also told students to make sure you left the dice in our small circle, so it's kind of out of the way and doesn't interfere with the game. So towards the end, or whenever you feel like having and talking about winning team or person or group or whatever, you would stop. We usually do like a certain number, or might look for who has the most diamonds or clubs or the diamonds and spades. So it just all depends on how you see that you want to track for your score. So I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.